Hi students, in this video discuss about on database design in DBMS. First of all, introduction to database design. In this video, in this topic, the introduction, the complexity of data design, then next one is steps in data design. Database design is the process that integrates the related and data and the process them with the recorded facts. Database is information repository and maintains all information about the organization. The changes in the organizations can be incorporated in various software. Database design is a complex process because it involves with the identifications of relationship among the components and the representations to the maintain of exact functionality. Then complexity in database design. Relationship identification is major challenges, especially many-to-many relationship. Second one thing, maintaining the correct functionality requirement, a deep understanding of how the data components are. Next, relational database design steps. The steps in the database design process is shown in the figure. First one is feasibility study, requirement collections and analysis. Third one is prototyping. Fourth one is design. Fifth one is implementation. Sixth one is validation and testing. And seventh one is first one is feasibility study. Feasibility study means the main objective of feasibility study is select the correct type of the database for given design. Next one, requirement collection and analysis. The requirement collections deals with the data storage and usage of data. The people using the database are examined lately and assumption to started the relationship between the check the periodically. Example, can a patient have multiple doctors? Yes. There is a separate billing number for each prescribed thingy. Step 3, prototyping, and step 4 is design. Prototyping means the overall application structures is to identify the various uses of outline the task are the performed with the application. If the application has many layers, but build the prototype by creating sample forms and command buttons together. Design means the design is the procedural analysis of the data into form, the business requirement, strategy, technology. For the database-driven application, the design stage is critical. There are three phases of relational database designs are. One is conceptual design, second one is logical design, third one is physical design. Conceptual design means the conceptual schema combines the concept and the relationship uses the database design. Logical design means the logical level schema describe the database design, for example relational model. Then the physical design, the physical schema describe the database design and physical level. One is implementations. The database implementation generally consisting the transfer of the data, installation, training and review. It consists of code processing of the data. Next one is sixth step validation and testing, and then seventh one is operations. The validation occurs at the table level using conditions. We can create a retrieve and needed data. In testing, we can examine the changes of the data and check the end of the record set. Operation means the database design run through the query language. Their operation can done through the procedural language, specifically relational algebra or non-relational languages, namely relational calculus. Thank you.